Hey crypto fans, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today guys, I'm going to give you my realistic long-term price prediction for the Stax's STX token. So guys, if you're new to the channel and you enjoy the content that I create, then go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up because it helps me out, and why not, right guys? And also, feel free to follow me here on Twitter as well. You can find the link to it in the description below this video. I like to talk about altcoins and trading strategies and all kinds of cool crypto stuff on a daily basis. So if you guys are into that sort of thing, you might as well go ahead and give me a follow because, hey guys, I'm only going to continue to grow more and more as time goes on. So for those of you who are actually new to my channel and this is the first video you've ever seen of mine, I'm a long-term altcoin holder. I've been holding on to various coins for about 5 years now. I do things a lot differently than most people. That's the way that I do things, you guys. I like to do shit that's a lot different than most people. I'm a unique individual, so hell, why not? So I do not use technical analysis to figure out long-term price predictions, okay? And the reason why is because long-term price predictions, you want to get a general overall idea of an actual number rather than the overall direction of where it's going. With technical analysis, you really can't get a general an actual number of where you think the price can go long term. You can obviously see if it's going up or down long term when you zoom out, but you can't get an actual number. So I'm going to show you guys today how I do things, and hey, what I've been doing for the last 5 years has been working great for me. So I don't see why it wouldn't continue to work for me. So today we are doing Stax, okay? So Stax, or STX, is currently ranked number 54 on CoinMarketCap, and it's currently trading at $1.26 at the time of me filming right now. And actually, it's a little bit high right now compared to where it used to be, because Stax actually, I'm filming this in mid-March of 2022, and Stax recently kind of went up quite a bit, or went up a little bit. So this may look a little bit high right now. But as we can see here, you guys, the market cap for Stax currently is $1.6 billion with a current circulating supply of 1.3 billion tokens and a max supply of 1.8 billion tokens. And it's about 72% is currently circulating right now. So guys, as we can see here, let's see here. The all-time high for STX is $3.61, and that actually happened 4 months ago in November of 2021. So that was $3.61, and we want to see what the market cap was back then. So we will take $3.61, and we're going to go ahead and multiply it by, the circulating supply is 1.3 billion right now, so we're just going to use that number as of right now. Obviously the circulating supply was, probably less back then, but I don't know, we'll figure it out. So 1.3 billion, thousand million, billion, that's billion, right? Okay, yeah, 1.3 billion. All right, guys, so we've got a market cap of roughly 1,000 million, but $4.6 billion, you guys, okay? This is a very popular project. This is one of those projects where it's going to continue to grow more and more as time goes on, especially considering, all the different spikes here and there. So guys, me personally, I think that Stax has a very good potential for reaching market cap levels of roughly $7 to $7.5 billion at some point in time in the future. Whether it takes 3 years or 5 years or 7 years to get there, hey, it's not about the time that it takes to get there. It's about it actually getting there, okay? So realistically, you guys, when you're holding onto a coin long term, you're really not thinking about how long it takes. Who cares how long it takes? You're here to make a return on your investment. You're not here to try to swing trade this coin, and that's the whole point of holding here. So we're going to see where the price would potentially be if it reached a market cap of roughly $7 to $7.5 billion, you guys. So for the sake of this video, you guys, obviously in the long-term future, the circulating supply is going to be a lot more than where it's at right now. It's at 1.3 billion right now, but again, in the future, when it does, eventually reach market cap levels of that high, it's going to have a lot higher supply than where it's at right now. So for the sake of this video, I'm actually going to use 1.5 billion tokens, okay? So we're going to use 1.5 billion tokens, all right? And if we go ahead and we multiply that, once the circulating supply reaches 1.5 billion and it goes up to the all-time high, its current all-time high again, it's going to have a market cap of roughly, let's see here, roughly $5.4 billion, you guys. So clearly it's going to go a lot higher than that, or it could go a lot higher than that. So obviously we're going to check and see what it would be if it went to $5, okay? So we'll take 1.5 billion again. and we'll multiply it by 5.00, so $5. And there's our number, you guys. $7.5 billion market cap. It would be roughly a $5 coin at that point in time. So what I like to do now, you guys, is I like to see what a good potential return on my investment would be if I were to invest into this coin right now. And usually I like to start out, if the capital is available, I like to start out with a $10,000 investment. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to see how many you could get for 10,000 right now and whatnot. Now, obviously, this coin right now in the last 7 days has been, it took a shot up out of the middle of nowhere. And it's just been trending downward right now. I mean, obviously it's going to, that's normal, that's typical. But the price where it's at right now, I don't think it's going to stay there. So I'm actually going to use the price of, I'm actually going to be based on, just for fun here, I'm going to be assuming that the price is going to be roughly around $1, okay, when you buy in. So let's say it's $1, then obviously you are going to get roughly, here just for fun, we'll do the math, $10,000 divided by 1, everybody knows what that is, you got 10,000. So you're going to have 10,000 stacks tokens, okay? So you got 10,000 stacks tokens, and we are going to go ahead and we are going to multiply that by $5, you guys. And obviously everybody knows that number. You're going to come out with $50,000 in the end. And whether it takes 3, 5, or 7 years to get there, you guys, I mean, hey, that is a solid return on your investment, just for buying and holding long term. Because there's realistically, you guys, there's really no risk involved in buying and holding long term. And realistically, you guys, you're not going to have just one position at a time. You're going to have other positions in other coins as well. I mean, most long-term holders do. So you'll actually be making, a good long-term, or you're going to make a good profit on not just this coin, but a bunch of other coins as well. So as you guys can see here, that would be roughly a $40,000 return on your investment. And honestly, you guys, it could go much higher than this. Okay, this is just my conservative opinion. Okay, it really could go much higher. But again, I'm a conservative person and I like to be safe rather than sorry, because I am dealing with my own money here. So I like to keep things on the safe side rather than the sorry side. So, and I'm not your typical moon boy. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that Stacks is going to go to $50 or anything like that. That's just not realistic. So yeah, I'm not that type of person. But overall, you guys, for the sake of this video, my long-term price prediction for STX is going to be $5. So guys, that pretty much does it for this video. So I'm going to go ahead and actually wrap this one up. But again, guys, before you guys leave, don't forget to follow me on Twitter here with the link in the video description down below. And also, guys, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey, guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my future videos or chatting with me here on Twitter.